Okay, good afternoon, friends. So I have not started the stream and I was talking myself for last 5 minutes. So let's repeat again. So I was just discussing the premiums for Bank Nifty and Nifty, which so we have today monthly expiry for both these indices. Okay, I'm audible. So let's see Nifty chart. So as per prediction video for today's, I, wa- I was thinking that Nifty will open flat and Nifty open flat and it sustain about 23,200. So I have mentioned that if it sustain about 23,200, it can test 23,300. So first it took the rejection and in same candle it sustained and in next 15-20 minute is straight move till 23,300. So if we would have traded in the morning, we could have actually made 20-30 points easily in this trade. So if we talk about overall market today, so media and IT sectors are trading in red. Apart from that, today's top performing index are reality and energy and other indices such as auto, metal, and banking and financial sectors are trading around 0.2 to 0.5% higher. Okay, so just to give me a moment, so we'll start quickly. Just a moment, I will just have the water because okay, so let's start. So this is Nifty chart. If we see, so Nifty is trying to sustain about 220. If we see the Bank Nifty chart, let's see Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is trying to sustain above this 300 and Nifty is around 200. So I think let's open Bank Nifty chart and we'll open Nifty chart as well. So let's turn this to 15 minutes. As I have mentioned, it is 15-minute time frame. Let's put Nifty Bank here, Nifty Bank option chain in the same tab, and here we have Nifty option chain for today's expiry. So it's Bank Nifty 5-minute chart. Just a moment. Text BNF 5-minute. Okay, so let's open the option chain. So it's showing rejection. So where is Bank Nifty trading 300? 300 P is trading very low. So let's plan trade into this is just a moment. Let me open full screen chart. So this is the problem. If we start late, here let's add 49 300 call. Okay, so this is 49 300 call and this is 49 400 put option. 49 200 call premium is very less. So let's change that to 49,000 C. Let's see how much it is trading. It is very high. So let's see 4900. 30th January 4900. It's 214. 49 200. What is 49 200 trading? Okay, it's correct. Around 160 150. Okay, it's quickly moved up. Nifty, Bank Nifty is trying to show breakout about today's day's high, and Nifty is trading at lower side around 23 200. So we'll not make hurry. Let's wait. So premium is quickly moved from 120 to 180. So let's plan entry in put side with small stop loss. Let's open a long position quickly here. So if take rejection from here, so let's plan entry around. Let's move to smaller time frame, that is 3 minute. Okay, let's plan entry quickly around this 98. Okay, okay, let's plan entry around 97, 98. Our target will be around 118.20 point stop loss. So our order is not yet executed. 118 and stop loss will be 88. See, premium quickly moved 10% from 98 to 118. So we missed this. So I was expecting Bank Nifty will take some rejection from top and quickly, and I was planning to quickly enter into the trade. No problem. So it's 1 to 2. Our order is not executed. If we move this to this, we have not locked in. So it's moved. Okay, no problem. So we missed the trade. it's hit the target. So that's the reason quick entry. See, it's moved 30 points. Okay, no worries. Let's delete this. So we missed this trade. So we'll not enter now. Let's tag the this strike. So it will be easy to understand for everyone. It's 5 minute chart, 3 minute chart. Let's move it to 5 minute. This will be the 49 400 P Bank Nifty 49 400 put option for today's date. That is today's expiry 30th January. And here we have added 49 200 call option. 49 200 C. So which is trying to move up. So now let's wait for where to enter P or C. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Meantime, we'll discuss our journal. So after the losing streak of 6 trades yesterday, we have 2 positive trades in Bank Nifty, and currently overall we are 10 points or 1 hour plus in last 9 days. We took around 19 trades. So we'll review all other parameters once we complete this week or next week at least. So today will be the 10th trading day and 20th trade. Today's date is 30th January. So we'll plan trade in Bank Nifty. So let's see. So you can see after losing continuously for 4 or 6 trades, still we are at cost. So this is the benefit of following strict stop loss and proper risk reward, which will help to at least protect our capital. Profit will be the different thing. So if we get another 3 4 trades positive in a series, will definitely be profitable for this week, and will cover the profit which we lost for last week. That is 30 point profit which we lost this week's last week's profit in first 2 days of 2 days trading days. This was a good trade we miss. We could have made 30 points easily in 2 to 3 minutes. We see 15 minutes the chart saying. Okay, it's rejection from top. So if we plan to enter into C, we'll plan around this 250 level. Currently, we'll not plan C at this level. So if it is okay if we miss C trade again, but we'll plan around this 240, 250, how it reacts to this level. Because if Nifty shows breakdown of move till 200, Bank Nifty will move till this 250 or 240. This was good 30 to 40 points, 1:4 trade. We should have locked in here at market price. See this premium move to it till 150, 130. Okay, we plan our trade into C now. Let's it come down. So price is coming to our level of around 250. So I think let's enter here around 80. Let's open a long position on chart. Let's reduce this timeline to 3 minutes. Let's plan our entry around 178. Let's see if our order gets filled or not. So at least we'll plan our trade, because if it quickly moves down, it will take our stop loss also, small stop loss of 10 points. So since price is moving right now, let's at least see how we can plan. It's 78, so stop loss will be 68, around 68. Let's plan over here. Forget about account size, entry price 78. It will be easy to put. Stop loss level 68. Profit level say around 98. Okay, so this also moved till 92, 93 from 80. So this will happen. So we have not made any entry. We are just planning the trade. So as I mentioned, Bank Nifty tested around this 266. So let's move this our trade plan to next candle. So Nifty is holding above 23 to 220. So if we plan our trade into P, price is around 148. So let's see, it's 148. 1 is to 2, 145, 140. Or say 138, and stop loss will be below this candle, that is 128, and target 1 is to 2 where it is coming 158. So Nifty is trying to break 23,200, so it's better we'll plan our trade into put side. Let's move to smaller time frame, but price sustaining. Bank Nifty is quickly move, showing upside moment. Okay, no problem. So we'll enter below this around 128. So let's assume on this candle 128, stop loss is around 116.17. Okay. Okay, let's log this trade. If we hit our stop loss, no problem. So first trade will be in loss. So we have entered into 49,400 put option around 126 or 127, 10 point stop loss, 20 point target. Let's see. So Nifty is trying to break 23,200. Let's see, Bank Nifty shows quick movement till 49,250 also will get this 20 point target. Or if Bank Nifty doesn't break this 280 level, we'll get our stop loss. So on expiry day, when there is a high volatility, we need to enter quickly. So earlier we were planning to enter at this low point of around 98. So that also we miss. After this C has moved quickly from 80 to 110. So we need to make quick decisions. So now let's see if this trade works. We have entered around 126. Currently we are around 10 points profit, 138, 140. So in all trades we are getting okay, premium is moving up quickly. Let's see if we improve some profit here. Yes, first target hit 148, 150. So let's see if we get this 158. So 20 point target is done in this trade. 126 to 146 premium hit high, made high up around 150. Let's see if we can improve this by 10 points. So our target TP2 will be this high, that is around 156. So we are planning this target. So currently we are around 10 point plus, 40, 24, 25 point target already hit. So 126 to 150. So that is around 24 points, or let's assume 20 points. So if you want to improve, then there will be some rejections also. So we cannot do anything about that. Because CE premium is rising quickly. So you can see this is hardly took 3 minutes to hit target of 20 plus points. So Bank Nifty is moving up now. Is there just a moment? So you can observe whenever we try to improve our profit, it's not possible. Momentum is not continuous, and since our stop loss is small, it cannot be possible to improve the profit with small stop loss of 10 points. So if you want to improve our profit below beyond 1 as to 2, then our stop loss also needs to be bit on wider side. But considering the premium amount, premium of 120 or 130, it's to almost 20% target we have achieved this 24, 25 points. Sorry. So let's enter this trade because it's a positive trade. Almost, if you calculate the percentage, let me open the calculator. So our entry was 126, target hit that is 20 points. So 20 point on premium of 126. How much percentage it is? 1.26. So almost, just a moment. It's almost 16%. 16% returns on the capital within 3 minutes. So that way you need to calculate rather than in terms of amount. So your profit or loss amount will vary based on your capital or position size. So still, if you have holded, we could have exited with at least 10 points. That is around 10%, 8 to 10% profit. So this trade still not hit our stop loss, planned stop loss. So now this let's enter our positive trade because we need some few positive trades this week because initially within 2 days we lost around 6 trades which had a big impact. So we broke the rule of maximum 2 trades, otherwise we could have saved another 20 points losses. So we entered into 49,400 PE. What is the reason? Just a moment. Rejection from day's high. So that is the reason for the entry. 49,400 P. So it's again profit. So points gain 20. Though it's moved 24, 25 points, we'll consider 20 points received 1 is to 2. So what is the reason? Rejection from day's high. Trade worked quickly within, let's mention 5 minutes. It worked within 3 minutes in the same candle, but let's mention 5 minutes. Okay, so we are back to our last week gain, that is 30 points. From here onwards, we need to capture another 20, 30 points, not today, today or tomorrow, in next 2 days, so that overall will be around 50 to 60 points gain or 6 R plus in this overall 10 days trading, 10 to 11 days trading. So I have updated, let's keep it aside. Just a moment, let me see. Okay, there are around 5 viewers or 5 traders. So you can see we can make quick 10 to 20 points if you take a right decision and enter quickly. So on expiry days, it's better to exit as per our target stop loss and profit, because movements will be on both the directions. So it's difficult to manage stop loss, or you need to keep wider stop loss. CCE has given nice movement, though just now just Bank Nifty just sustain above this 49,300 level. So if we can plan one more trade, and today's last trade, we'll plan in CE, not immediately, we'll wait for if it shows some retracement and let Nifty cross this 23,200 level. Then only this Bank Nifty can test again day's high, or it can break this recent high of 380 also and test 49,500 level. So it will be a big trade. So let Nifty cross this 23,200. If Nifty continues to take rejection at 23,200 level, we'll plan one more trade in P. So in the morning, it was very good trade as per our analysis. Nifty sustained above this 23,200 from 200 to 300 in 15-30 minutes. It moved straight till 300. So we need to trade in this morning time also. So it will improve our win rate. So currently, whatever stop loss we are hit, our stop loss are getting hit in the sideways market. So it will improve our profitability and win rate in the trades. But let's continue in this time zone of 1 to 2:30. So we'll have a consistent uh, record of our trades in same time zone, and we can analyze those details. So in this period, what logic, basic simple logic, we have seen that Bank Nifty took rejection. So earlier the high was around this 350, it quickly rejected from 380, and even we were planning to enter when this it took rejection, but we couldn't enter in that fast movement while deciding the price and everything, and premium moved above 100 back to 100 from 80. So after that, when he's trying to it took rejection, here we entered around 145 when it completed its complete movement. So premium moved from 80 to 155. When it shows rejection, on this rejection after next candle we entered here, and during this small movement, up and down movement, we got a 20-point target quickly. So CE has made nice base and it's trading above 140, so we'll not enter in at this price level. At least we need to get price around between 120 to 130. Then we can plan our entry because stop loss will be around 100, or we can keep stop loss below this 110, this big green candle. So first we need to see whether this will break this 130 level or not. So if Bank Nifty spends some time here for 5-10 minutes, it will definitely come to this 130 due to the premium decay because it's almost 2 o'clock now. So if we make this chart for 3 minutes, our entry was around this 151 candle, where it is 151. Yeah, this candle. So somewhere here we entered, we exited on the same candle when it made low up around 49 to 80. Or 20 point target got hit here. Okay, as expected, this C premium came to 120. I have mentioned, right? So we need to wait for some time. And Nifty took again rejection from this 23,200 quickly. So now we need to decide where to plan the entry. Let's move to bigger time frame. 15 minutes. What is showing? It's sustaining this 300. Overall chart, if we see for last 28, 29, 30th. So Bank Nifty is consolidating in this zone 49 to 49, 300 or 200 only. So considering the this chart structure, it is a rising wedge, so it can show breakdown below this 250 and show some fall if Nifty continues to trade below. So let's go back to 5 minute time frame. So premium tested 120 and again 135. So it is 15-point move. But you need that confidence to enter and you need to take that risk and enter. So let's mark a small trend line here where Bank Nifty is continuously taking support for last 2 to 3 days. Trend line starting from 20th January, Tuesday, Wednesday, today is Thursday. If you can extend this, okay, from 27th of January. So it's 4 days is taking support on this trend line. So let's move to higher time frame to log the trend line. I want to extend it bit further. So you can see this moving average and trend line is almost moving together. Okay, let's lock. Let's move back to 5 minute time frame. Even Nifty also taking support from this trend line and shown breakdown below this 200 level. So now this trend line and recent swing is coming at the same level around this 280. So this will be the good confluence area to enter into put side trade. So it will be a break of this trend line which it is taking support for last 4 days and recent swing low up to 70 or 280 in this zone. Let me mark that zone. Where is the rectangle? Okay. So let's mark this zone. This rejection zone becomes support zone. Let's log this. Okay, it's moving up from taking support from moving average. See premium move nicely again. But no, this will enter into Bank Nifty C if Nifty cross this 200 level. Else will not go for C side. We'll wait if we get entry into put side if it shows or trades below this 300 level. So that is the trade plan for now. For C side, Nifty to trade above this 23,200, though we are taking trade into Bank Nifty. So if Nifty sustain above this 23,200 level, Bank Nifty will definitely cross this 360 or 350 level and break this recent high of 380. So at that time we can plan entry in call side, though we'll get a premium at higher price around 160 or 180, not a problem. But if this two criteria is met, then only we'll enter into C side trade in Bank Nifty. Else we'll wait for Bank Nifty to break this 300 level, and once it start trading around this 49 to 80 to 70 level, we'll plan one more trade into put side. If we met this criteria, then only we'll take second trade, as today we have already captured 20 points. We'll not take further trade. So let's wait and watch for some time. I will be back. I will have one more glass of water. Okay, I'm back. Hope I'm audible. So as expected, Nifty is moving up. So let it cross this 200 level. So if we want, we can add 49,300 C because at that time this premium will be much higher. So let's change the strike price. So it might be very low at this time. 49,300 C might be trading around 50 or 80. Let's see. Okay, it's trading around 70. Okay, let it be there. If it cross this 350 or 380, it will cross 100. Then we can enter in this trade as per our plan. 49 300 C, and we have 49 400 P. So generally, if you have watched my earlier videos, I don't check premium charts. Either it will be CEP. I purely follow the in the index chart, whether it will be Nifty or Bank Nifty. Sometimes I just take a look on the premium chart, but just for our learning purpose and how we can trade, I'm just opening the positions on the chart, on the premium chart, so it will be easy for understanding. Otherwise, if we open the position on this location, we don't know how much points we could have captured and how much stop loss. Because in this sideways market, due to the decay, this 10-15 stop loss could easily hit. See, this premium is quickly moving from 110 to 130. So as expected, Bank Nifty is trying to break this 300. Let's see when price comes to this confluence zone of trend line and recent support resistance level of around 280 to 270. So how price react at these locations, then we will have a trade either in CE or PE. So if price trades below this 300 level, we'll have three reasons for the entry. One is the rejection from 49,300, and you can say this moving average on 5-minute chart, then breakdown of this uh, trend line. So it's a very important trend line because Bank Nifty is taking support almost for 4 days on this. This is the first, second, third, fourth, and today it took on almost fifth time support on this trend line. So it's a very important trend line. So if this breaks, then it will show quick movement till 4900 or 150 level as well. So it will be a quick 100 to 150 fall below this 280 or 250 level. So whether our trade goes right or wrong, but you should have some concrete reasons for entering into the trade. You should know why you are entering into sell side or buy side. So because next time you can decide whether these kind of criteria are working or not, and based on that you can modify your entry criteria. So let's just see strike price back to 200 because we'll not trade such a small premium of 50 or 80. Premium should be minimum above 100. So let's go back to 14 and 200 C. I was thinking it will quickly move up, so that I have changed the strike price. Okay. So this was our first trade in PE from 126 to 146 or 47, around 20 points. Let's see how Bank Nifty reacts to this level. So it's a 3-minute chart. So if we plan our entry around this, again we are entering into same strike price, around same level again, around this 126 or 127. Let's enter quickly. Just a moment. Let's enter the criteria here. 127, it will be easy. Target again 147, 20 points. Stop loss, it automatically took around 10 points. Stop loss 117. So we have not yet entered. Our order is not yet hit. Let's see. Go to 1-minute chart and let's plan here. Let's see our order gets hit or not. So why I'm planning to enter 4-5 points below, because it will help to save our stop loss limit too close to the entry. $127, because I've moved further. I don't think it will come down again. 17. Let's see what Bank Nifty is trying to show. Okay, it's trying to break this trend line and again taking support at this level. No worries if it takes some rejection here, and it will definitely take the rejection. It will not break continuously. Let's see if our order gets hit. This is 1 minute chart. Target will be 147. 10 point stop loss, 20 point target. No, price moved quickly above 140. Okay, we can enter this higher price also, some bit higher price, because Nifty is also taking rejection. We follow same chart or same price around this 138. The next candle, mhm, price is quickly moving. It's trying to break recent high. So let's plan entry around. Oh, so we'll not chase the price right now. Let's wait. As expected, Bank Nifty is taking rejection. See how this premium has moved. So we were miss our entry here. No worries. We were trying to enter around this 127, 128 at same level, but price couldn't hit our entry price. Let's go back to 5 minute chart. It will move further, so it's difficult to enter into the running candle. So it's a 50-point move since our entry plan. So Nifty is holding at the same level. This trade could have worked very nicely if we would have entered at right time. So that's the reason decision making is quickly required. So while showing you on the chart, this can happen that we miss our entries. Placing order quickly and adjusting order on creating position on chart, it is difficult. So this 200 C came to, let's check what is 49,000 C is doing. It's about 200. 4900 C. Okay, it's around 138. It is 230 candle. So let's close this one candle. After that, we'll decide. So as I have mentioned, if it breaks 280, it can test this 200 or 150 also. This PE entry was a good entry, which we missed. So you can plan trades this way by just analyzing the price, what price it did last couple of days. So with the help of trend line or some indicator or support resistance zone. So just keep it simple rather than putting plenty of indicators over the chart. So as I mentioned, after this breakdown, this PE premium will trade around 170, 180. So it is trading around same level. Let's see how this 5-minute candle forms. This premium's days low is around 110. Price is around 144. So let's wait if Bank Nifty go for some retest around this 250, 260 level. So now for next trade, we need to wait for 5-10 minutes. If we get one more trade, we'll enter, or else we're happy with one positive trade we took in P at the first time. This price is 145. So let's wait to close this one 5-minute candle. See, this 100 shares nicely moved, but who will enter? So we need to take some small stop loss and enter in such trades so where this reward will be great or higher. So let's wait if market gives some entry or indication, either it C side or P side. Okay, so I was just trying to plan the trade around this, but Bank Nifty is making again a green candle or rejection. So let's plan our entry around this 158 and stop loss will be around 148. It will be a small stop loss and target to 1 is to 2. So what is the entry price around? Let's check. Okay, 157. 67, 77. Let's take this 1 is to 2. Stop loss will be 147. So after this retest and again for the continuation we are entering, but I don't know whether this trade will work or not. Let's see. So it's a very small stop loss. So Nifty is moving up and I'm expecting Bank Nifty to show further continuation. Let's see what happen. We'll at lose 10 points. We have made around 20 points in the morning, so we'll lose around 10 points in this trade. And if it trade works well, we'll get 20 points. Okay, our stop loss hit, but let's wait because it just tested that and moving up. Just lock this trade because every time it's happening that it just testing our level, stop loss level and moving up. So let's assume we are waiting for target because it's again moving back to our cost. So again, if price moves to 147, we'll take the stop loss and exit from the trade. So just for the purpose, I'm just placing again the same trade here. Entry price is 157, target 177, and stop loss 147. Let's see. Is 49. Let's lock it. 49,400 PE. So stop loss is recent candles low, and this time also we long, as I have mentioned, we'll take the stop loss and exit from the trade. Because on retracement it is very difficult to say at what till what point it will make the retracement, so we need to wait for couple of points stop loss here and there. Because so it's a breakdown of this trend line, and this support zone is a retest, and I'm expecting the continuation again in the same direction. So this is the breakdown, retest, and further continuation. So we have early entry before this breakdown. So let's see. Okay, so this time if it tests this 147, we'll accept that stop loss. So I have opened this position after that. Because upside movement will be quick, and okay, yes, so we got our stop loss, no worries. So let's update our journal. So we lost around 10 points again. Okay, it's a 10th day, 21st trade, and same date and same strike price. It's a loss of -10, that is -1 hour. So entry after breakdown of trend line and support zone. Let me correct the spelling. SL hit. So what is the issue here? Okay, let it be. We just need a record. Let's see what happened to our trade. Okay, it's good that we accepted the stop loss. But today I want to plan one more trade, that is third trade, because I'm expecting this trade will work. So let's delete this and again open a position, long position on this PE around 138, I will move the time frame to 3 minutes so that it will be clear whether our order is hitting or not. So around 1, okay, let's open, we'll update on the chart. We are not sure whether order will trigger or not, but let's put 138. Stop loss target will be 148, 158. Yes, order hit, and stop loss will be 128. So we are planning with again 10 point stop loss here. Just lock this trade, and this will be the last trade. Because Nifty is also taking rejection again from this 23,200, so it shows some movement downside. Bank Nifty will also test this 49,220, so we'll get this 20 points quickly. So this will be quick movement. So let's try to modify the target here. Instead of 158, let's put 168. If movement will be quick, we'll get this. Sorry, 168. So it will be 1:3. Yes, 168. So let's see this trade works or not. So as I mentioned, I'm anticipating this breakdown, retest, and continuation. So we entered on this candle also previously, but small stop loss of 10 point got hit. After this retracement, we entered somewhere here and again entered in the same trade. But not sure again this will lose 10 point. Let's see. Entry is 138. So 10 point we easily got. Price hit 150, I think. Is 150. So if it breaks, that's the reason I have improved from 20 point to 30 point. It will be a quick movement, and we will have a chance to recover 10 point what we lose during this first entry around this 148. So currently price is around 148, 149. So we are 10 plus point profit. So it will definitely hit this 20 point, that is 158. So I am planning to improve till 168. Let's see. Because if it takes this recent low of 220 or 230 also, it will hit this 168, which is much lower than recent high of around 190. Okay, so price hit 20 points. Recent high is around 157.35. Our entry is at 138, 160. So it's good that yes. So this trade work very quickly within 10 minutes. Is good that as per our analysis we have entered. Let's update our this live trading paper trading journal. So today is 10th day. This was a third trade today. First trade we got 1:2. This we got 20 trade in the same strike price. So this is the third trade in same strike price. So entry after remarks will be entry after breakdown of trend line and support zone. So support zone. So re-entry, we can mention re-entry in same trade at retest. We can mention trade work quickly in 10 minutes and profit improved from 1 as 2, 2, 2, 1 as 2, 3. So we are making these notes for our analysis purpose next time. So it is again a win. So it will be plus 30 and this reward achieved is 3. So you can see till Tuesday we were about minus 30 loss, and today after yesterday's these two winning trade and today these two winning trade and one loss, so we have negated this minus 10 point by improving our risk reward by 1 as to 2 to 1 as to 3. So today we have gained around 40 points, till yesterday around 10 points. So we are making good progress. So we have recovered last week profit which we lost in first 2 days, that is on Monday and Tuesday. We have consecutively lost 6 trades in a row. So this is the biggest losing streak in these 10 trading days and up around 20 plus trades. So we'll definitely analyze these details by this weekend or next week once we complete 15 to 20 trading days, that is 1 month data. See, price has come down after hitting our target. This premium has made high of 169. Our order was at 168. And as expected, it tested recent low of 220. So this way we can plan our trades between recent swings and just follow simple price action, breakdown, retest, and continuation. So it can continue higher also. It can break this 190 also, but we already broke our trading rule of 2 trades. We take third trade, but it went well, and the loss which we have made earlier in this PE trade where we have entered around this 148 where our stop loss got hit here, and we re-entered again after this retest and continuation. So I think it's almost 1.5 hours. Today we started late. Just a moment. Today we started late around 1:30, so it's 3 o'clock. So today's day went very well. So if we see the trading journal, see this, I said this is moving, right? So this will break this 190 also, not a problem. But we are done with our trades. So we are on an average 50 point gains in these last 20 trades in last 10 days. So our target for this week will be around 60 to 70 points. So I will share these details. We'll review this trading journal over this weekend and we'll trade further 10 days same way, the same paper trading for learning purpose, and how keeping small stop loss with some small stop loss and with proper receiver, how we can be profitable, that this journal will definitely reveal those details. So if you can see till yesterday our win rate was below 30%. So this after couple of 3 4 win continuous win, our win rate is improved to around 35 to 40%. So if we maintain this range of 35 to 45%, I'm not saying even 50%. If we maintain the range around 40%, then also a longer time period of time will be profitable. So we are just counting the gain or profit or loss in terms of the points and R multiple, that it's this reward ratio. If we are losing 1 R, how much R we are getting. So based on that, we'll analyze this trading journal, and as you know, amount will be varied depend upon your capital and position size. So let's continue this for another 10 days and we'll analyze this journal and all these parameters what I have mentioned here. So these are the rules from live stream paper trade. So though we are making this position on chart for learning purpose, but it's still as good as I'm treating this as a actual or the real trade with real capital. So we are accepting the losses, we are accepting the profit the same way. and we are patiently waiting for the entry. It doesn't mean that, sorry, we are taking paper trade, so enter anywhere without any kind of analysis or without some confirmations. Okay, friends, so thanks for joining. And if you're watching this video, live stream as a video, as a recording, please share your views if this live stream and live market analysis will helpful or not. So based on that, we can improve the content of this live streaming. So if you want to add few stock or in stock for intraday trading, how to analyze that also we can analyze in live market. So that's not a problem. Thanks for joining. Keep watching, keep learning. We'll end today's